In today's video, I'll show you how to join the AliExpress affiliate program. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official AliExpress.com website. Once you're on the site, make sure you're logged into your AliExpress account. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and find the affiliate program option in the bottom menu, then click on it. This will take you to the AliExpress portals page. From here, click the Start Earning button. On the next screen, you'll see a form to create your AliExpress affiliate account. Now fill out the form by entering your name, verifying your email address, and entering your contact phone number. Next, select your social media platform and add its ID. Answer the required questions and check the policy box to agree with it. Once you've filled out all the details, click the Next button. Now fill out your site information, including your site name, URL, category, and a short description. Once done, click the Submit button to complete your application. After you submit your application, AliExpress will review it and send you a confirmation email within a few hours. Once you're approved, you're ready to start earning money through the AliExpress affiliate program. That's it. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.